Some habits matter more than others. These are keystone habits. They trigger cascade of change in multiple areas simultaneously. Identify these, prioritize these, everything else becomes easier. Charles Duhigg documented this in organizations and individuals. One habit changes everything. Exercise is classic example. People who start exercising regularly often improve. Diet, sleep, productivity, relationships, all improve without direct effort. This is Keystone effect. The mechanism is identity shift. Exercise makes you feel healthy. Healthy people make healthy choices everywhere. This ripples throughout life. One habit, new identity, new behaviors, automatically. Another mechanism is increased self-efficacy, successfully building. One habit proves to yourself you can change. This confidence transfers to other areas, other habits, other goals. Momentum builds. Making bed, classic keystone, seems trivial, but creates order. First thing, morning, this order influences rest of day. Small win leads to more wins. Admiral McRaven advocates this for good reason. Meditation, another powerful keystone, increases awareness, improves focus, reduces stress. These benefits improve everything: work performance, relationships, health choices, exercise consistency, creative output, all improve. Meal planning changes eating, obviously, but also reduces stress, saves money, improves time management, creates space for other habits, removes daily decision fatigue around food. This freed mental energy goes elsewhere, productively. Reading daily, Keystone 4. Many people, not just knowledge gained, but routine of learning, curiosity maintained, ideas discovered. These influence actions, decisions, goals throughout life. Sleep optimization affects everything: cognitive performance, emotional regulation, physical recovery, immune function, willpower, decision-making. Fix sleep, everything improves. Ignore sleep, everything suffers. Family dinner, keystone for household, creates connection, communication, routine. These strengthen relationships. This stability affects children, adults, everyone benefits from this single habit. The key to identifying personal keystone is looking for habits that naturally lead to other improvements. What one change would make everything else easier or unnecessary. That's your keystone. Start with keystone, not with 20 habits simultaneously. Master one, let it transform other areas organically. This is patient but effective approach to lasting change. Keystone habits often involve self-care, exercise, sleep, meditation, nutrition. These affect everything else because you are foundation for all. Your behaviors improve foundation, improve everything. Some keystone habits are domain-specific. For business, daily planning; for health, meal prep; for relationships, weekly date night; for learning, morning reading. Identify keystones for each life domain. The ripple effect takes time. Don't expect immediate transformation across all areas. Exercise for month, then notice other improvements emerging. Give keystone time to work its magic. Not everyone has same keystones. What transforms your life might not transform mine. Experiment, test different candidates, observe what creates cascades for you personally. Signs of keystone habit: other behaviors improve without effort, feel more in control generally. Identity shifts to align with new habit, motivation increases for related changes. These indicate you found a keystone. Protect keystone habits fiercely. If dropping one habit from schedule, never keystone. Other habits can flex, can pause, can skip. Keystones must remain. Priority, non-negotiable. Foundation, can't be compromised. Build on keystones, gradually, once established, once automatic. Use as anchor for habit stacking, for new behaviors, but don't rush. Let Keystone solidify completely. First, the power of Keystone habits is leverage. One behavior transforms many. This is efficient, this is smart, this is how lasting change happens. Not through massive overhaul, but through strategic keystones that transform everything else. Find yours. Master it. Watch your life transform.